Climate change is priority for Kazakhstan because we already experience serious consequences of global warming, such as extreme weather conditions, floods, droughts. In the nearest future, I think macroeconomic modeling result will help us to invest correctly, and in long term it will assist to prevent economic damage.
Well, our project has several components. We do the macroeconomic modeling of climate impacts and adaptation measures for some priority sectors. But there's also an extensive capacity development component where we train people in Kazakhstan how to model these impacts. I think that was the first effort that we did in working with the economists in Kazakhstan. So really bringing attention and focus to economic modeling of climate change adaptation. There's now a big step that should be made. This is about the capacity development of both the sectoral experts and how to better understand what adaptation measures really work and what are the most effective measures, but also of the economists, that from the macroeconomic perspective we could see which sectors are the most affected by climate change and how we could compare different sectors with each other and how could we additionally evaluate adaptation options for Kazakhstan.
In the western part of Georgia, the main climate change risk is connected and linked with floods or extreme precipitation, while in the eastern part of Georgia it is droughts, and in the coastline resource it is also the coast erosion. Yeah, it was a windbreak. It is important adaptation measure. Also the development of irrigation channels and reconstruction of irrigation channels, and as well in tourism sector it is a coastline protection and building climate resilient infrastructure.
E3G model has a huge potential in Georgia because it can cover the main macroeconomical analysis and unify with climate change adaptation directions. So with that regard, it was useful to see how our partners and stakeholders from, for example, Ministry of Economy are connected to the partners from the Ministry of Environment. So to see this synergy, which finally we hope to give the results, so we receive the systematic and the integrated approach to the problem.
The model can support also the monitoring and the planning, also providing some guide during the monitoring and evaluation measures for implementing the green growth strategies in Vietnam.
Actually, I think that the potentials to apply the CRED modeling results into the decision-making process in Vietnam is very likely, and we have the potential to apply the modeling results on the potential costs and benefits of the adaptation measures in different sectors. So, to support the government decision on prioritization of sectors.